Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to install and update LG monitor drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any browser. So kahit anong browser yung pwede mong gamitin pang install or download, so pwede po siya. And then, open lang natin ang ating Chrome browser. And then, inabigit lang natin yung LG official website. So, ilalagay ko to sa description box para mas madaling mahanap. And then, once na dito na tayo sa ating LG official website, so dito lang sa taas makikita mo dito yung Shop, Support, and Business. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong Support. So, click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa how can we help. So, ang next step, so scroll down at select lang natin dito yung software and drivers for downloading. So, ito yung i-click mo. So, click mo lang yan. And makikita mo na dito yung software and drivers. So, ang next step, so scroll down ulit tayo. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung monitors. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yung monitors. And then, nandito na tayo sa select product category. Nandito lahat yung iba't ibang klase ng monitor na LG mga kaibigan. So, select ka lang dito kung ano yung meron kang LG monitor. So, for example, select lang natin tong gaming monitor. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan yung different style and then drivers na monitor. So, select ka lang dito na compatible sa inyong LG. Okay, so select lang natin tong for example, itong 32-inch, so click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung software update. Okay, pag-scroll down lang tayo. So, dito sa kanyang operating system, so, mayroon dito Windows and mayroon din dito Mac OS. So, isilig lang natin itong Windows. So, makikita mo ito mga kaibigan. So, kailangan mo lang i-click itong zip. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa top right corner ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete yung downloading process. Ito siya. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na complete na yung downloading. So ito siya. So ang gagawin natin ay kailangan mo lang i-click ito. Click lang natin yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa download sections. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung open. And then, if you receive user account control, and then, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, preparing setup. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung pag-setup or installation niya. Okay, so, welcome. So, modify, repair, or remove the program. So, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung repair. So, click mo lang yan. And then, ang susunod ay kailangan lang mo lang i-click tong next. And then, wait natin tong kanyang setup status to complete. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na maintenance complete. And then, dito may dalawang options na pwede natin gawin. So, mayroon ditong kung gusto mo mag-restart agad or mayroon naman dito restart later. And then, dito sa ating screen, makikita mo na dito yung on-screen control ng LG monitor. Yung drivers po ito, alright? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to install and update the LG monitor drivers. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.